Welcome to this week's 2-minute art hack. We're now on about take 10 because I keep talking for 3 minutes and more. So what are we looking at this week? We're looking at common pitfalls when it comes to transferring your reference photo or line drawing over to canvas. There are loads of ways you can do this. You can use projector, you can sketch directly onto your canvas using comparative measurements. What we're going to talk about is the grid system. So if you grid your reference photo, for example, this one I'm gridding because I like gridding because it does make life easy if you want to enlarge something. Don't use it all the time, but I do like it for enlarging. However, this is where the common pitfall comes in. When you use the grid system, if you then transfer that onto a canvas that's in any way, shape or form a different ratio, square is easy. That equals that. You're a 1-to-1 ratio. So I know every square canvas is going to work perfectly for that reference photo. But if it's, say, an A4 reference photo and you've got a canvas board that's kind of about the same size, it's about the same, it might be a centimetre wider, you may well think, oh, well, that's close enough. It will be fine. On some things, maybe, but that 1 to 2 centimetres is going to distort your reference photo out and only out. So if you're doing a portrait, it's going to look a little bit off and you might not know why, because it's correct to your gridding and it kind of looks, everything's lined up right, but it will be looking a little off and you'll be inclined to just chunk down that side a bit, but then the inside of the portrait will look wrong. And that's because the ratio on your canvas wasn't the exact ratio that you've gridded on your reference photo. So be super mindful of that, because we get lots of canvases that are very different ratios. They might have the same width, but they are different heights, for example, and that makes things a little bit confusing. So check your ratios. Oh my goodness, and over again. Come see the Academy. We like to make things easy. We like to help you know the reasons why. Come along to some free workshops where I talk a lot slower than this because we've got an hour and not 2.5 minutes, sorry. You do click the things, you know what to do. I'll see you in next week's 2-minute art hack. Bye.